To set up and install the Webchat widget, select the chat widget icon from the left-hand column, and then you can begin customizing the widget by selecting a section like the chat bubble and going through each option. Notice as you change the options, the change is reflected in the preview on the right. Once you've configured everything to your liking, go ahead and hit the Get Code button at the top of the screen. You can there click the Copy Code button, and that will copy all the code for you. To install the code on a HighLevel website, go to the website and then go to its Settings tab, where you can then paste the code in the body tracking code box. Hit Save, and then if you open up a page in that website and open up the preview, give it a refresh, and you'll see the chat widget pop up on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. If we click it, it'll expand and we can see what it'll look like in its expanded state. To install the code on a funnel, open a funnel, click the Settings tab, and there you'll see another body tracking code where you can paste the script that you had copied.